and Tesla opening range breakout. We did discuss that in the chat room. Eventually turned out to be a very profitable day up for me, $41,000. PLTR and Tesla was the biggest one that we made money. So, and that's pretty good. And then I'm still staying on my position of TLT and VOO to see what's going to happen with the market. So obviously, as you guys discussed, the market was gapping down because of the fear of war, but we really ripped higher, and NVIDIA was a really nice 1 minute open range breakout. I took it toward the 2 minute open range breakout with the ad in there, so it was really nice, very big profit. And same as Tesla. Tesla, very nice. Actually, I took it through TSLL. TSLL is the 2 times leverage of Tesla. Where's TSLL? Let me bring it here. TSLL. So same trade, 1 minute, 2 minute open range breakout, really squeezed nice above the VWAP. So that was a very bullish sign. I went long and really all the way up to from 1390 to 1440. It was very nice. And then I did an ad after that just because I was really happy with it. But the market atlas really helped us. Again, for those of you who don't know what the market atlas is. 5 seconds to open, guys. Let's find some opening range breakouts. So in the Benzinga too. Ding, 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 ding.
Ding, ding, ding.
Your it's Tesla. Tesla is weak. Tesla has orders to the downside.
Yeah.
Qs are popping up, NVIDIA is popping up.
And the SPY and the Qs are popping. Look at PLTR rip. Okay.
PLTR is really nice. See if you can get an entry on PLTR.
Yeah, I'm long some calls.
Qs are ripping too. Wow, SPY is ripping too. I told you,
Yeah.
might
Yeah, I know. This is where you say, I knew it.
There is doing. There's 150 order upside. Tesla is trying to pop up.
NVIDIA has gone green on the day.
Wow, NVIDIA is green? Wow.
Yeah, it went green.
NVIDIA is pretty strong.
Tesla's looking interesting too. Looks like it wants to go green. Or at
Get
least
some long on NVIDIA. Get some long NVIDIA for the break of 178. Let's see. Tesla looks like it wants to go higher as well. Getting a long on TSLL 1393. I'm long on TSLL as well. 1393.
Yeah, I'm long Tesla's with you. Or NVIDIA, I should say. Sorry.
Four and partitioning here. Partitioning some of 178.72 on NVIDIA.
A nice move on NVIDIA. Just selling some here.
Tesla is ripping too. I have a big order on TSLL. I'm selling some 1403. NVIDIA 179 is the big order. TSLL more. Market is going to go green, honestly.
Yep.
Selling more TSLL 1406. Wow, NVIDIA is ripping. LTR is ripping.
Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Wow, baby. 179, selling more. Beautiful.
Look at this. Yeah. Selling. Yeah, I'm selling more here on NVIDIA.
Let's see if we can, on NVIDIA, we can get a 1 minute, 5 minute range break off. Really strong. Selling more on TSLL. I have a very big size in TSLL, getting out of it more. Tesla 395 is a big order on Tesla. Wow, look at that. We're gonna get to 395, which is FP market. Our S4 is 395.80, so things are going pretty well.
Awesome. Awesome possum.
Awesome.
Still long some Tesla. Gonna maybe sell some more here right at S4. PLTR, new high of day. Oh, look at the SPY Qs are really making a move here.
Wow, it's crazy, yeah. Wow, nice. NVIDIA wants 180. Tesla 14 or 13. Wow, I'm up a lot. Nice. Great, man. Great, thank you. 180 is big order on Atlas. Selling some. Is $23,000 so far. Sell more TSLL. I had a big size. Yeah, Tesla, NVIDIA, you see huge orders sitting on the 180. The 180. Come on, I have only small
Yeah,
amount
here
of
it comes. Excuse me.
oil is selling up. Honestly, Iran has been capitulated. I don't know why market is afraid of. Like they have nothing left. Completely capitulated.
Still got that big order there, 180.
Selling more on TSLL.
Yeah, I'm all out of Tesla. A nice move on that. Still holding some NVIDIA for that 180.
If it gets to 180, add a
They're
little
front
more
running
here.
that.
Okay? See if you can.
They're front running that bid or that
Let's,
ask, I should say.
I'm gonna add some here. Bring my average to 178.50. See if you can get the break
The only thing I
above.
don't, the only thing I don't like is the market's kind of rolling over a bit here.
You're so close for 180 on NVIDIA. So close. So you guys can see my screen at test 180. So I mark it here. So it's just can get there. TSLL, I'm still long in there. It's gonna get toward 1420, hopefully. Twenty on TSLL, setting some more. TSLL, setting more on TSLL. Beautiful. Let's see if NVIDIA can go through 180.
It's fighting to get there.
I'm gonna put some order on NVIDIA at 180. Gonna put 1,000 shares at 180.
AMD is dropping.
LTR is bouncing. Such a beauty. Tesla has some orders to the upside, but not a lot. It's not super clean. Yeah, NVIDIA is more clean toward 180. I have some orders at 180.
Delta Airlines would have been a nice long.
Is that NVIDIA?
Hmm. Seems like we're struggling to find buyers here on the queue. Technology overall. We're still looking at 180 on Nvidia. Tesla is trying to break out here.
Tesla, yeah. Tesla, I'm long. I'm getting out more on Tesla, 1422. I haven't not much left. There you go. I got filled in NVIDIA 180.
There we go. Just wanted to tag that 180.
Excellent trading day for you guys. Thank you so much. God bless.
Yeah, This has been awesome.
God bless America.
Which God? You mean Muhammad?
Any God that you believe in.
Here we go. Video looks like it's got more upside.
It's wrong. Maybe
The LTR has been nice. AMD's coming back up. We're back up to high a day on the SPY. The green god, yeah. The market gods.
Tesla 1426 selling more. Tesla. Using Tesla 398 has some more there.
There goes SPY and Qs.
BDSL has some rule. SPY is still making new highs. I wouldn't be surprised if market goes green today.
Yeah, yeah. You said that.
Oh my God.
Maybe
Poor Iran.
Peter,
I
can
feel
you
bad for Iran.
Peter can use the magic 8 ball, find out.
No, but reality here is that Iran has been really capitulated. Like they really have nothing. They have no launch pad for missiles left. They have some. There's a small drones that time to time they shoot, and I think in the next few days they probably have nothing to. Mature rocks.
Well, well, their biggest lever probably is shutting down the Strait
But they couldn't.
of
They couldn't.
Hormuz.
They don't have the power to. Their not navy is
Uh,
completely destroyed. They have nothing. They don't. They didn't. They couldn't put any mines in the water.
they can still shoot missiles, I guess, and
They don't have
drones.
a lot of. They hit all of their launch pads. There are very little missiles left, and they're really short range. What they were thinking, like they really, I don't know what the hell they were thinking. The Iranian government, they really think they have a chance. Yeah, that's true. There's no regime change from the sky, so they have to. People in Iran, they have to do something. Tesla is popping up more, 398. So Wolf, I think it's a good thing for Iran. It's a really bad government, really, corrupt, waste of resources. Obviously, war is not good. Nobody's happy about the war, but Europe, they had to. US had to come to win. It's 80 years ago. If there was no war, Europe would be in a completely different situation. Sometimes the war is necessary for freedom, for building better. Um, Iraq, Libya, Syria. Well, it doesn't have to be like that. Like it doesn't really need to. Iran is a completely different demographic. It's very different from Libya and Iraq. And to s- to by some justification, I don't, you're gonna see. Like, I think Iraq is probably better now. Like, during the Saddam Hussein, I was watching a movie yesterday about the oil for food program. It was horrible. It was horrible that time. Uh, Libya probably is going to be better in the next 10 days than that crazy guy. Well, we'll have to see. But Iran is a completely different dynamic. It's a completely, it's a very educated country. It's a very industrialized country. So we're going to see. I'm of the opinion of that. I'm happy. Like, it was the Hitler of our time. The guy. I don't know if anyone would be sorry for him. All right, so Tesla is gonna go 398 because we have big order. All right, so TSLL. Let's get some more out of TSLL. Nice. NVIDIA 180. It's getting out more. Exactly.
Certainly was a big cause of all the problems in the Middle East, or has been.
Everywhere in the world, everywhere in the world, every terror response, every terror in the world, Iran was behind it. Like, Americans are way safer now. You remember in 1983, Beirut, when they blew up the embassy, 260 people?
Yeah.
I mean, American forgot that. The hostage situation, 9/11. Fox News. Good morning with Fox and Friends.
Yeah, I see PLTR coming down.
Anyways,
I'm flat on
NVIDIA
everything right now. I don't have any positions.
Wow, NVIDIA is reaping. R3 is at
Still looking.
182.
Had nice runs on both Nvidia and Tesla. PLTR.
Amazon. Scott is shorting Amazon. Let's see what Amazon did. So 207 from S3, you're shorting it now. Amazing, guys. I'm up $35,000 on NVIDIA and TSLL. It was really good. And I have a little left of Tesla and NVIDIA. It's really nice. We're sitting in our hand. It's great. Thank you, market. Any question, guys, about the trades that we did? Jared, what did you trade? Gap filling for a high SPY long?
Gary wasn't going to trade. He was going to watch.
I don't know why. It was a great day for trading.
That's just what he said. But nobody believed him.
So reality here is really that if you remember 4 years ago in February 28th, when Russia attacked Ukraine, market gap down, but really squeezed up. You don't know the market's reaction really toward this news. You think it has to go lower, but reality here is that a lot of this price is already priced in the market. And there's something big in the financial market is that they say that buy the rumor, sell the news. A lot of price action is happening up to the point, and then when actually things happen, the reverse is happening. So You don't seem to follow the trading plans. And better, which one is not my trading plan? Like NVIDIA is a 1 minute opening range breakout, 5 minute opening range breakout, same as Tesla. These are 1 minute and 5 minute opening range breakouts. This is exactly based on the strategies that it's in the book. Which one do you think is not that I'm not really trading based on that? And we're looking at the market atlas and level 2 to find better indication of where the price is going to go. I think it's pretty systematic. At least today was pretty systematic. LTR.
SPY bouncing off the 9 EMA 2-minute chart.
Yeah, so the level 2 is really, I'm not really looking at it. So PLTR is interesting. I'm going to get some PLTR here. See if it can closes above the VWAP. So PLTR.
Really, I don't. And the problem is with PLTR, 144 seems to be resistance.
Let's see, put a stop loss below. TSLL is a 2 times leverage of Tesla. Is a 2 times leverage of Tesla. So if Tesla moves 1%, TSLL moves 2%. So let's say PLTR can go to 144, 145.
You get a big order there, 145 on PLTR, but I don't think it's going to get there, honestly. We'll see.
It's possible.
That is high of day.
I'm more like interested in 144. There's big orders at 144 as well. So I'm way more interested in see if you can get 144. TSLL and NVIDIA. PLTR is doing 1044 order is up there. There you go. So here we go. I'm partially here some 147.76. I have 5,000 shares. See if you can get to 144. Uh-huh, 144 hit that. I'm going to get out more here, 144.06. Yeah. It's gonna go to 180. Push back about 144 goes toward 145. My average is 143.30. Be nice if it pops up. So Stephen, NVIDIA has been obviously NVIDIA is one of the usual suspects in our team because it has a lot of liquidity, it has a lot of volatility, and respects the levels are really nice. So I always look at NVIDIA. Obviously, in the market, it was gapping down. So as soon as we opened very strong above the VWAP, I thought, we can take an open 1 minute clean range breakout. I didn't take the 1 minute, but I kind of chased it from red to green, for this move up. So NVIDIA is, if you trade with us, NVIDIA has always been in one of my usual suspects that I'm always looking at. PLTR as well, but PLTR is not really fun always. Today is a day that, because of the war, was gapping up. Obviously, the reason for that is PLTR. They use PLTR softwares for all of these, large tracking. So the way that, okay, I'm getting out of PLTR, guys. So like they have hundreds of thousands of targets. They want to know their location all the time in real time. So they tag them in this big data software analysis. So they know exactly all of the assets that they need to go, plus all of their own military assets. So it's a tracking software. It's big data tracking software. So that's why it's gapping up, because there's more and more contracts coming from government. All right, I'm getting out of PLTR completely, guys. I'm all out of PLTR. And I think I'm going to get out of NVIDIA as well and getting out TSL as well. I think market is kind of did a nice push. So I'm all out of, guys, flat. 41,000.
Yeah, market seems to be kind of stalled here. We've kind of put in what looks like a bit of a double top on the SPY, but we'll see where it goes from here. There's still some buyers. There you go. Just when you thought it was going to pull back at high of day. SPY is going to go higher.
Wow, everything is completely bounced back. Tesla, NVIDIA. PLTR might go back up, but I'm not going to get into any other trade, guys, because I'm pretty good. NVIDIA looks like it wants to go back for a high of the day.
Yeah,
180.
SPY is making new highs here.
I can't wait to see until the SPY is going to go green. So SPY is going to go green.
It's trying. Tesla's turning into a chop fest.
Mr. Brian Tezim. How was your day, Brian?
Good. I traded pretty much the same way you did, both Tesla and Nvidia.
Very nice. Nvidia looks like it has another push up. Any question, guys, about the trades that we did today? No, I'm down with PLTR. It looks like PLTR is kind of getting choppy. Like 5 minutes is getting really choppy. I mean, I'm pretty good with my day. Nvidia broke the high of the day again.
And Nvidia is back to 180. But again, everything kind of feels like it's struggling. Q's tried to break out there and failed. SPY is looking like it really could go green here.
Nvidia is ripping. Look at that.
Yeah. What's the book look like? Oh, there's a big order at 181 now.
WM went green. SPY went green. Oh, it is going down. I love that. Anyone who shorted the market is getting a squeeze. Look at that.
Well, anyone who shorted the market over the weekend did well, but as long as you bailed at the open.
Oh, absolutely amazing. Nvidia keeps going up. SPY, IWM went green. There you go. Small caps are green. Just want to see that history of ourselves. There you go. Boom. IWM green. Silver. Lorena, I never really traded silver, honestly. It's down, huh? Yeah, silver is crazy. These commodities are really not my bread and butter.
Commodities can be tough. Yeah. You just really got to catch a trend.
SPY. Okay, IWM is green. I want to see if the Qs are going to go green too. Absolutely amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. I can't wait until the SPY are going to go green too.
Yeah.
PLTR, yeah, PLTR is good. I just don't want to trade it anymore. PLTR looks like it wants to go back up. Still has the order at 180, 144, 145, but 145 is a big order. But I just don't want to trade it. I had a really good day. I'm It's an all-you-can-eat buffet, but you know when to stop. So it's a really good food I had. It's real. I'm full. I'm just watching, waiting for dessert to come. That's it. I don't want to trade anything else, guys. And it's very important for you guys to know when to stop.
PLTR is, or Netflix has gone green, I should say. Microsoft is green. Microsoft's really in the green. God, all these stocks really just technology really just took off. Interesting. Alphabet's having trouble, not really moving anywhere. ASTS, yeah, anything to do with space, right? Space. Oh, shit. I was going to look at something.
All right, president's talking at the other end. President is having a news conference. It's the president.
Tesla's breaking out back at high of day, pretty close.
It's oh yeah, it's PLTR.
I've picked up some Delta Airlines for more of a swing trade.
Just buy the airline, Brian. Just buy
What?
the whole airline and
Buy an airline? I should have. That's what we should have done with Vegas. We should have. You and I should have just taken a private jet down.
just buy the whole airline and finish this.
That way I'd get to fly it too. I'd get to fly my own jets.
Buys a little bit below the green.
Yeah, jets, JTS, that's a good one.
See what Carlos did.
Oh, Nvidia continues to go up here. There's a big order there, 181, looking pretty solid. I tell you, Qs are going green. I wonder who's going to make it first, the Qs or the SPY.
Microsoft doing. So it's up to 400. Nice. So last week we sent $60,000 in funded account profit, guys. So we're gonna have actually the leaderboard public, so you can actually go see in real time who is up, how much is up, and you can see the journal trades as well. So we're gonna launch it probably today or tomorrow. So you guys can see all the payouts and all their trades and everything. So it would be really nice to see in real time. You don't see the names, but you see accounts and trades and how much profit they have made.
And how much money went to Nigeria?
Tanzania, yeah, Tanzania. We had another Tanzania traders, yeah. Tanzanians are awesome, man. Very nice.
Is that where we're going to have our meetup in November?
Maybe. I
We
want
have
to
to
move to
go to
Toronto.
Tanzania to meet.
I want to move to Toronto. I want to get a studio in Toronto. I want to start a new, YouTube show, very professional, hire some new anchors and do more live trading on YouTube, help Carlos and Peter. I can't do it in Vancouver, so I'm planning to move to Toronto. If anyone is interested in Toronto, come and help build a studio, something like Trader TV Live. We can do it together. Yeah, I want to hire, executive producer and very professional studio, a big one, like it's spend a couple of $1 million. Anyone interested in that? They want to come work with me?
Sure.
Does anyone have any interest in building a financial news reporting channel? Any background, working together? So a professional YouTube production.
You'll have to you have to talk Peter to move from Ottawa.
Yeah, Peter can stay there. Peter can come shorter. Like pre-market show is very heavy. Like it starts like at 8:30, they go all the way to 11. It's really heavy, 2.5 hours. So they don't, we can just hire more new people. So reduce the load on Carlos and Peter. So the difference, AJ, is that the 50K funded account in Trading Terminal is a web-based platform with limited capability of compared to DAS. So your hotkeys are more limited, and it's a browser-based platform. DAS obviously is a Lamborghini of platforms, and it's more expensive, obviously. So you have an option if you want to practice on DAS or Trading Terminal. I think a lot of people are there with Trading Terminal because a lot of you are making these big mistakes at the beginning. So why would you want to pay $1,000 for, first mistake, you're completely out? And because, we have to pay gas, I can't really give you. But, in trading terminal, you can just reset, at a little better cost. Yeah, we have some hotkeys for trading terminal, enough for you to. We don't have very sophisticated hotkeys, but we have enough for you to practice. I think it's good for 99% of people in trading terminal.
Big order at 400 on Tesla, or a decent size order.
Yeah, Tesla really wants to go 400. Oh yeah, big order at 400.
So we might get a 920 on the Qs and the SPY here.
Yeah, so really down.
We'll try 920 right here on the Qs. Just a reversal. So long on the Qs. See if it bounces here.
And so we had the ISM manufacturing. Didn't impact much, huh?
Okay, just taking some profits here. Back at the 9. Oh, that was nice. Nice pop. Beauty. 920, baby.
My SPY. Oh yeah, 920 and SPY. SPY is gonna go green. I'm telling you. NVIDIA 181. Jesus.
Mm. All right, taking a little more off here. Back up to high of day. 606 on the Qs. That would be next target. Yeah, there you go. Katie, did you play that one? Okay, a stop on this is obviously back at the 20 EMA if this turns out to be sort of toppy price action. Mm. Just we're not following through here. It's getting a little late in the day for a big push, being another big push. So, hmm. Okay, so let's see if we can get past this high now, this last 2 minute high.
PLTR is going to go 145, Brad.
Yeah, I think you're right. It's back near high of day. Nvidia is still strong.
All right, so great trading day, guys. PLTR is going to go 145. Oh, sorry, already broke 140. No, yeah, very close to 145. Yeah, 146. The orders are now 146 on Atlas.
I'm out of the rest of that 920 trade. I don't like the fact that we couldn't push higher after a couple of minutes there. I think we're going to go back down, retest the 20 EMA right now. But looks like a lower high to me right on the chart. And the SPY is starting to roll over here. So it was okay. Still got some profits on that. Followed my trade plan. Tesla's at high of day. I don't think Tesla's got some big orders down at 390, 388. Probably no intention to fill orders.
India time.
EMD is rolling over again. Ooh, Nvidia's falling a bit.
Absolutely amazing, guys. Nice trading day. Guys, any question, guys, about the trades that we did today? Nate, I was not really long biased, but it was a very strong open on NVDA. And when I'm saying a strong open, just look at the first minute, really push through the VWAP, very strong candlestick, and that's a very strong open. So I wasn't really
Yeah,
biased, but for me, within the
just
first 5 minutes, which is above the VWAP or below the VWAP, that tells you if it's strong or not.
yeah. I mean, yeah, as soon as we opened, the buying started. I mean, we got a tiny pullback and then shares just got started to get snapped up and couldn't buy things fast enough. Could have traded a lot of different things. Could have traded Tesla. Well, could have traded in Microsoft. Did it really, really ripped. Yeah, funny Alphabet really hasn't nobody's buying Alphabet. That's kind of interesting. Apple's flat on the day. Wow, what a difference a month makes. Baba started the month at 180 and it's now trading at 140. Yeah, I know. Well, some you just have to be think about rolling over more here. You just have to think about in terms of time frame. What is your time frame for your investments? I mean, I have a number of swing trades, obviously. Got a portfolio of stocks. Try not to pay too much attention to the day-to-day swings in the market. Because, like I said, like Andrew said, if you'd have been in some stocks this morning and you'd panicked at the open and sold them, now you'd be kicking yourself, thinking, why did I sell? It's easy to look back and say I coulda, shoulda, woulda. Right. Tesla's making a new high here. Still pushing to that 400 level.